Using folding knives for self-defense. Self-defense is very important to learn as many crimes happen around us. If you are caught in a situation where you have to defend yourself from being harmed, you need to have something to help you protect yourself. If you do not have martial, you can use mace, pepper spray, or tear gas that you can stash in your bag at all times so you can carry around, especially when you go to slums or places that you are not familiar with. Folding knives come in different sizes. Choose the best size for you and one that will fit inside your bag or pocket. Practice folding and unfolding the knife. Taking out the blade from its handle may be a bit difficult if you do not know how to do it. Flick your wrist when opening and closing the knife. Do this several times until you get used to it. If you do not know how to open it fast, your attacker may see it as an opportunity to grapple you and grab the knife from you. Grip the knife tightly. When you see your attacker advance, take the knife out from your bag as fast as you can and flick it open. Once the knife is open, grip it with your fingers tightly, with your thumb pressing down on the bottom of the blade. Use your dominant hand in holding the knife. Hold it in front of your body. Extend your hand that holds the knife forward but not too far from your body, as the attacker may grab it from you. While holding the knife, look around quickly to see if the attacker is not alone, but do not avert your eyes too long or he may take the opportunity to advance. Stab your attacker only if you need to. Only if he comes really close to you or if he locks you in his arms should you stab him to protect yourself. If you stab him, do it only so it would hurt him and loosen his grip on you, not to kill him. If you can run away to call for help, then do so. When handling a knife or any sharp object, it is very important to take precautions. It is doubly hard to handle a knife when it is used for self-defense. You have a high risk of hurting yourself, as you are not only focused in using the knife but in keeping the attacker away from you as well. Lastly, use your folding knife only for self-defense, and not to hurt just anybody with it.